Have you ever wondered what breeds are considered Molossers? It's a question I've been asked many times, and today I'm here to answer it for you fully, and in a way that makes sense. Because these dogs are not just big and strong, they carry history, purpose, and a spirit unlike any other. Molossers, what are they really? The term comes from the ancient times, named after the Molossian dogs of Greece, mighty guardians of flocks and warriors' companions. Today, when we say a dog is a Molosser, we mean a dog built like a fortress, strong, muscular, and fearless, yet often loyal and gentle with those it loves. Think of the iconic Kangal from Turkey, the mighty Caucasian Shepherd from the Caucasus Mountains, and the Alabai, towering and protective. These are not just pets. They are guardians, bred for strength, endurance, and courage. But what truly defines a Molosser? Let's break it down. Molossers share certain characteristics: broad heads, strong jaws, deep chests, muscular builds. But their strength is not just physical, it's mental. They are brave, intelligent, and often calm in the face of danger. Many Molossers are protective by instinct, but also affectionate and loyal to their family. A true Molosser knows when to act, when to wait, and when to defend. These dogs are ancient. Some trace back thousands of years, accompanying shepherds, warriors, and families. Every wrinkle, every muscle, every thoughtful gaze tells a story of survival, guardianship, and resilience. Yet, despite their imposing appearance, most Molossers are gentle giants with hearts as big as their frames. So which breed exactly are considered Molossers? Well, besides the Kangals, Alabais, and the Caucasian Shepherds, there is the Mastiff family, including English Mastiffs, Bull Mastiffs, Neapolitan Mastiffs, and even the powerful Rottweilers are sometimes grouped here. They all share that unmistakable combination of strength, loyalty, and courage, qualities that have earned them respect across centuries. Molossers remind us of something deeper, that strength can be gentle, that courage is responsibility, that loyalty is a quiet, unwavering force, one that does not need to be proven, only felt. So next time you see a massive regal dog, remember they are more than muscle. They are living history, guardians of our past and companions of our present. I hope today you now understand what breeds are considered Molossers and why they continue to inspire awe and respect around the world. If you enjoyed this journey into the world of Molossers, make sure to hit like and subscribe, because together we'll explore more stories, more mysteries, and more incredible dogs. And remember, sometimes the strongest things in life are the quietest ones guarding those we love.